代词
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
怎么
Is used before a verb ask about the manner of an action.
Is used before a verb ask about the manner of an action.
这个汉字怎么写？这个汉字怎么写？
How do you write this Chinese character?
How do you write this Chinese character?
这个汉字怎么读？这个汉字怎么读？
How do you pronounce this Chinese character?
How do you pronounce this Chinese character?
你的名字怎么写？你的名字怎么写？
How do you write your name?
How do you write your name?
你的名字怎么读？你的名字怎么读？
How do you read your name?
How do you read your name?
这道数学题怎么做？这道数学题怎么做？
How do you do this math problem?
How do you do this math problem?
这道中国菜怎么做？这道中国菜怎么做？
How do you make this Chinese dish?
How do you make this Chinese dish?
你是怎么来的？你是怎么来的？
How did you get here?
How did you get here?
我是坐公共汽车来的。我是坐公共汽车来的。
I came by bus.
I came by bus.
你是怎么去上海的？你是怎么去上海的？
How did you get to Shanghai?
How did you get to Shanghai?
我是坐船去的。我是坐船去的。
I went by ship.
I went by ship.
下雨了。我们怎么回家？下雨了。我们怎么回家？
It's raining. How can we go home?
It's raining. How can we go home?
坐出租车吧。坐出租车吧。
Take a taxi.
Take a taxi.
怎么？怎么？
Is used to ask about the reason for something.
Is used to ask about the reason for something.
他怎么走了？他怎么走了？
Why did he leave?
Why did he leave?
他怎么哭了？他怎么哭了？
Why is she crying?
Why is she crying?
天气怎么这么热？天气怎么这么热？
Why is it so hot?
Why is it so hot?
他怎么这么生气？他怎么这么生气？
Why is he so angry?
Why is he so angry?
怎么样？怎么样？
Is used to ask about the condition of something or someone.
Is used to ask about the condition of something or someone.
今天天气怎么样？今天天气怎么样？
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
太热了。太热了。
It's too hot.
It's too hot.
奶奶身体怎么样？奶奶身体怎么样？
How is grandma?
How is grandma?
不太好。不太好。
She's not so well.
She's not so well.
你现在觉得怎么样？你现在觉得怎么样？
How do you feel now?
How do you feel now?
谢谢你。我现在好多了。谢谢你。我现在好多了。
Thank you. I'm much better now.
Thank you. I'm much better now.
你想喝什么？绿茶怎么样？你想喝什么？绿茶怎么样？
What would you like to drink? How about green tea?
What would you like to drink? How about green tea?
天气太热了。我喝冷水好了。天气太热了。我喝冷水好了。
It's too hot. I'd better drink cold water.
It's too hot. I'd better drink cold water.
这家饭店的中国菜怎么样？这家饭店的中国菜怎么样？
How is the Chinese food in this restaurant?
How is the Chinese food in this restaurant?
还不错。就是有点儿贵。还不错。就是有点儿贵。
It's okay. Just a bit pricey.
It's okay. Just a bit pricey.
你昨天看的电影怎么样？你昨天看的电影怎么样？
How was the movie you watched yesterday?
How was the movie you watched yesterday?
太好看了。太好看了。
It was fantastic.
It was fantastic.
你觉得我的汉语说的怎么样？你觉得我的汉语说的怎么样？
What do you think of my Chinese?
What do you think of my Chinese?
很好。很好。
Very good.
Very good.
你觉得我写的汉字怎么样？你觉得我写的汉字怎么样？
What do you think of my Chinese characters?
What do you think of my Chinese characters?
还不错。还不错。
It's okay.
It's okay.
你觉得小李怎么样？你觉得小李怎么样？
What do you think of Xiao Li?
What do you think of Xiao Li?
他又聪明又努力。他又聪明又努力。
He is smart and hardworking.
He is smart and hardworking.
你觉得小张怎么样？你觉得小张怎么样？
What do you think of Xiao Zhang?
What do you think of Xiao Zhang?
她又年轻又漂亮。她又年轻又漂亮。
She is young and beautiful.
She is young and beautiful.
这件红色的衣服怎么样？这件红色的衣服怎么样？
How about this red dress?
How about this red dress?
太大了，有小一点的吗？太大了，有小一点的吗？
It's too big. Is there a smaller one?
It's too big. Is there a smaller one?
这条蓝色的裤子怎么样？这条蓝色的裤子怎么样？
How about these blue pants?
How about these blue pants?
太小了，有大一点的吗？太小了，有大一点的吗？
It's too small. Do you have a bigger one?
It's too small. Do you have a bigger one?
不怎么样，不怎么样。
Not so good. Not very well.
Not so good. Not very well.
你唱歌唱的怎么样？你唱歌唱的怎么样？
How well can you sing?
How well can you sing?
不怎么样，不怎么样，
Not so good.
Not so good.
你做饭做得怎么样？你做饭做得怎么样？
How well can you cook?
How well can you cook?
不怎么样，不怎么样，
Not very well.
Not very well.
你的领导怎么样？你的领导怎么样？
How is your boss?
How is your boss?
不怎么样，不怎么样，
Not so good.
Not so good.
怎么办？怎么办？
What to do?
What to do?
很多人遇到困难，不知道怎么办。很多人遇到困难，不知道怎么办。
Many people encounter difficulties and don't know what to do.
Many people encounter difficulties and don't know what to do.
我的手机坏了，怎么办呢？我的手机坏了，怎么办呢？
My cell phone is broken. What should I do?
My cell phone is broken. What should I do?
我的电脑不能打开，怎么办呢？我的电脑不能打开，怎么办呢？
My computer cannot be turned on. What should I do?
My computer cannot be turned on. What should I do?
谢谢观看。